everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel, we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Remnant 2 error DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Okay? So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So if you are encountering the error DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, it indicates that your system does not meet the minimum requirements to run the game with DirectX. Okay, so let's get started. So first, this is what it looks like when you have the error. Okay, so there is a tab that should pop up that looks like this or message. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do is to check system requirements. Verify that your system meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Specifically, check if your graphics card supports DirectX 12. You can find the minimum requirements on the game's Steam store page or the official website. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause DirectX errors. Visit the website or your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Next is to install DirectX Runtime. Even if your graphics card supports DirectX 12, you may need to install the DirectX Runtime manually. To do this, you can visit the official Microsoft DirectX and User Runtime Web installer page and download the latest version. Next is to verify DirectX version. Double check that you have DirectX 12 installed on your system. To do this, press the Windows key plus R, type DXDIAG. Okay, so again, press the Windows key on your keyboard plus the R and type DXDIAG in the Run dialog and press Enter. The DirectX Diagnostic tool will open, displaying your DirectX version on the System tab. Next is to run as administrator. Try running the game as an administrator. Right-click on the game's executable file, usually the exe file, and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Next is to disable other overlays. If you have other overlays on or software running alongside the game, try disabling them temporarily. These overlays can sometimes conflict with DirectX and cause issues. Next is to check for Windows updates. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. Microsoft frequently releases updates that can include improvements and debug fixes for DirectX. And lastly, reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Sometimes, files can get corrupted during installation, causing DirectX-related errors. If the error persists after trying these steps, it is possible that your hardware does not support DirectX 12 and you may need to consider upgrading your graphics card or other system components to meet the game's requirements. Also, remember to check for any official patches or updates for the game that may address compatibility issues. Always be sure to follow the guidelines provided by the game's official support channels or community forums for the most accurate and up-to-date information. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!